Okay, now this part of the video is to show this is what the top part looked like. As you can see, this is very knotted together or matted together, whatever word you want to use. See, so the hair probably be like about, more of this length if I untuck it and fold it. So as you can see, this is matted together, and this is hanging. This is matted, but not as bad as this is. See, this is completely like this, and we want to get it to like this. This is one that's combed out. So all of this is hiding inside of this. All of that. So we're going to fix each of these so we can reattach. Like all of them this is fairly okay, but no room for to attach anything. This is budded as well. A little hair from it. This is budded a little bit. You can see it. Oh no, on the inside. Look at that. So that's totally budded too. This could just be fluffed out. This doesn't feel as hard as budded. Whoa! This here is, it's okay, but we'll spread it out. I'm gonna open all this up because this is like caked in. See if I can just scratch it. You can see it just appearing. So I'm gonna fluff that back out. This is okay, just need to be fluffed out. Again, I'm gonna have to go in there because this is some kind of build up. Along with, oh no, this ain't even it. My bad. That ain't got nothing to do with nothing. But yeah, so, all right. That is what's going on so far. This is similar to this one. See how this looks? So this is like a before I fluff it out, and this is like more of me fluffing it out. This is the one I'm working on now, but this is how it looked beforehand. So yeah, we're gonna try to get all these combed out and things. It's very hard. You can like squeeze and stuff. See that? So like, yeah. So we're gonna make that a little more soft to where we don't hear that.